Hello students, welcome to Softsource classes. Today we will be solving the CSIR UGC NET JRF exam questions from the June 2018 paper. We will be solving the set C of the paper. Let's start off with question number 36. In question number 36, it has been said that we need to find out the value of the integral, closed integral over mod of 1 minus z is equal to 1 ez by z square minus 1 dz. The options are option 1 0, option 2 pi I e, option 3 pi I e minus pi I e inverse e to the power minus 1, or option 4 is e plus e to the power minus 1. So these are the options that we've been given. So for this, what we'll try to do, we'll first try to find out the singularity points over here. Singularity points. So for finding out the singularity points, let us break down the integration structure. So the integration will be, if we take fz is equal to e to the power z upon z square minus 1, and this can be broken down as e to the power z upon z minus 1 into z plus 1. So the singularity points are z equal to 1 and z equal to minus 1. So these are the two singularity points. And also the circle that has been given, is mod of 1 minus z is equal to 1. Now we can definitely write down as z mod of z minus 1 is equal to 1. So you can see here center is 1 and radius is also equal to 1. So the circle looks somewhat like this. This is the circle and this is a 1 point. So this is 1, this is minus 1, and the radius is also 1. So the circle looks somewhat like this. So as you can see, the singularity point z equal to 1 lies inside the circle, but the singularity point z equal to minus 1 lies outside the circle. So therefore singularity point z equal to 1 lies inside the circle, but z equal to minus of 1 lies outside the circle. So this is what we have got so far. So now proceed with the integration. So now we know that 1 by twice pi I into integration over the closed circle, basically fz dz is equal to sum of residue at isolated singularity of fz inside the circle, and the circle here is C, inside the circle C. So as you can see, since z equal to 1 is the only singularity point which lies inside the circle, so this will be basically equal to residue of fz as z is equal to 1. So this is what we need to find out. So now residue of fz is nothing but equal to limit z minus 1 into f of z as z tends to 1. Now we know that we have already taken fz is equal to, so this will be limit z tends to 1 z minus 1 into e to the power z by z minus 1 into z plus 1. Okay, and this will come down as limit z minus 1 will cancel out, this will be z tends to 1 e to the power z by z plus 1. And now if we put z equal to 1 over here, so this will give us e by 2. So therefore 1 by twice pi I integration fz dz is equal to e by 2, and so the integration that we are supposed to find out will be, so therefore let me write down over here. So that implies that integration fz dz upon c will be equal to pi I e, which is the required answer, and this is option 2. Option 2. So today we have solved question number 36 from the CSIR JRF exam, which was conducted in 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Software's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.